The motivation for this project was actually installed as a young girl. Impossible societal standards were encouraged by the dolls being put on the market. We wanted to create something to help encourage a positive self-image, one that celebrates differences.
My youngest daughter, Hannah, 7 years ago, she came down with the autoimmune virus called transverse myelitis, which paralyzed her from the waist down. She walks with a crutch, but now that she's gotten older, she's realized that she is slightly different.
To tailor to this difference, we used Tinkercad to model and print pieces to create a doll-sized crutch matching hers.
And when she opened the doll up and seen the letter and seen its crutches, it was a very special moment. Not something that you can really put into words.